Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Principles of Management Week 8. This is your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. This is our last week together. I definitely appreciated being with you guys and working with you guys each day and each week on this class itself. In Module 8, we're going to be talking about innovation and changing, and that's one of the things that we definitely have to do within Principles of Management. Sometimes we have to change. We have to come up with innovation. So this module investigates how businesses innovate and change to keep up with rapidly evolving social changes and needs. So innovation is definitely one of those things we want to look at and really understand a little bit better within our context. It's sometimes one of those things where we have to go and look at who our customers are and kind of figure out their needs. Sometimes we already know their needs, so we don't have to do that as much. But technology definitely helps us to see this and kind of helps us to understand things a little bit better. So hopefully this is one of those things we'll be able to look at a little bit deeper this week. So some of the goals of this week is we want to summarize how to access technology needs. We also want to identify the criteria based on technology decisions and compare key ways of acquiring new technologies, evaluate the elements of an innovative organization, and discuss what it takes to be world-class. So we'll list some tactics for creating a successful future as well. Probably won't have any YouTube videos this week because there's not really much out there on this, but it's definitely one of those things we want to definitely look at the reading and really go through that and really try to explain that in our discussion board post. The assignments this week are the discussion board post, which is due as it always is, and we also have the week 8 assignment, which I'll have the due dates within the announcement as well. So hope you guys had a great time in this class. If you need anything from me in this class or after the class, feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.